Welcome, designers, to the world of parametric guitar modeling in Fusion 360, where boundless creativity meets the ultimate in customization. But before we begin, sit back, relax, and enjoy the presentation. With 111 adjustable parameters, you are free to craft not only acoustic guitars, but also basses and ukuleles of every shape and size. And don't let your imagination stall. Each tweak, each iteration opens the door to new possibilities, so let this freedom guide you as you breathe life into your next masterpiece. For there is much to discover, new guitar designs, new shapes, and new configurations that only you, the luthier, is willing to achieve. First, open the Fusion 360 file, then save it into your Fusion drive. Head over to the Modify tab and launch the Parameters window. Once you've sorted the list alphabetically, you can adjust any dimension to suit your design vision. And when you're ready to move on with your design, use the included add-on script to export all the XF profiles with a single click into a folder of your choice. And also, this project is fully open source, complete with full design history, so you can delve deeper and expand it upon as you wish. Don't be haunted by the complexity of it all, for with patience and vision, qualities you have in abundance, you'll master every aspect of this project as you design the perfect guitar, bass, or ukulele from the heart, and everything else will fall into place. This project was created for you by Lorian Capos, the finest in guitar capos the world has to offer. Stay tuned for my standalone guitar design software, for the adventure is only beginning.